Ever sit at your desk, eyes glazed over, and wonder, did I just lose the plot? Welcome to brain fog, my friend. That sneaky little fog that creeps in and steals your focus, memory, and, frankly, your will to live. No, it's not a new form of meditation, it's just your brain saying, I need a vacation. Brain fog is like when your brain tries to process stuff, but the Wi-Fi signal keeps cutting out. It's that feeling of forgetfulness, lack of clarity, and let's be honest, like you're walking around in a mental fog, constantly asking, what was I supposed to be doing again? So what causes this delightful brain meltdown? Well, it could be stress, because who doesn't want to carry the weight of the world on their shoulders while juggling 20 tabs on your browser? Or maybe it's your diet, living off pizza and energy drinks? Yeah, your brain's like, we need more than that, buddy. Or maybe you haven't slept properly in days, and your brain's just flat out refusing to cooperate. Okay, now let's fix this disaster, shall we? First step, hydrate. Yep, water isn't just for fish, your brain needs it too. Next up, sleep. And no, scrolling through your phone for 3 hours doesn't count. Your brain needs the real deal, like an actual 8 hours of sweet, sweet slumber. Then let's talk food. Maybe try something green once in a while, your brain will thank you. And hey, try not to turn into a stress ball. Take a breath, do some yoga, or just stare at the ceiling for 10 minutes. Trust me, your brain will love it. So, next time you're ready to pull your hair out because your brain's playing hide and seek with your thoughts, just remember, drink some water, get some sleep, and maybe, just maybe, put down the extra large fries. Oh, and leave a comment below about your brain fog struggles. Hit that follow button, and let's keep this brainy journey rolling. Until next time, stay sharp.